Researching SEO keywords. As well as your product pages, you should attend to your static, always on pages SEO, including homepage, about page, FAQ page, contact and help center pages, and blogs. 4-step guide to optimizing keywords for static pages. 1. First, use a tool like Ahref or SEMrush to enter a relevant long-tail keyword. Long-tail keywords are specific key phrases people use when they are closer to purchase. If you own a brand that produces vegan running shoes for men, for example, you might enter vegan men's running shoes. 2. Enter your long-tail key term, and your keyword tool will throw up a list of semantic, i.e. closely related suggestions that people are already searching for. 3. You can view how much competition there is for these key phrases. If you're using a tool like Ahrefs, using the integrated ranking check. 4. Pick keywords with the highest search volume and lowest competitiveness to score highest with Google search. Keywords checklist for product pages. All of your pages should be oriented around 1 or 2 primary keywords. Check to make sure you have mentioned your main keyword on your product title, product subheader, product description, meta description, image alt text. Use keyword tools like Ahrefs to find other semantic keywords that relate to your main key phrase and incorporate these throughout your page content, so Google learns more about your page. Choosing killer keywords for e-commerce product and category pages. Once you have a list of suitable keywords, you need to whittle them down so you can find the best performing phrase for your e-commerce endeavor. There are 4 elements you need to evaluate your keyword list against. 4 keyword evaluation factors you should be assessing. Search volume. Search volume is the primary factor you must consider when evaluating your keywords. Search volume measures how many people are searching for the term, but what is considered a high search volume varies depending on your niche. For some sectors, 250 searches a month is good, while for others, 20,000 could be next to nothing. To understand what is normal search volume for your industry, keep an eye on the keywords your top-performing competitors use. Use keyword tools like SEMrush, searchvolume.io, or Ahrefs to find the average monthly search volume of any keyword you enter. Some keywords will also vary by season, depending on what you sell and when people are more likely to purchase that item. You can see the seasonal fluctuations of any keyword by looking at a month-by-month chart via tools such as SpyFu, SERPstat, and KW Finder. Product match. Your keywords should match what you're selling as closely as possible, so they have the maximum chance of converting. If you sell smart flat-screen TVs, but you use a keyword like smart flat-screen computers, you'll find it harder to convert searches that end up on your page than if you'd use a more appropriate term. Who's searching for your term? You might have yourself a high-ranking, closely matching keyword, but it's important to know who is using it. If it's only used by people who never make a purchase, you'll probably want to switch to a better option. 3 steps to selecting keywords that target ready-to-spend consumers. 1. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you discover what kind of people are searching your keyword. Enter your term and check out its competition rating to see how many people are bidding on that phrase in Google Ads. If the number is high, it's a good bet, as that usually means it's profitable. 2. You can also assess top-of-page bid in the Google Keyword Planner. This figure shows how much people spend on a click in Google Ads, and it's a great indicator. when you want to find out how well a keyword converts. 3. Using words and phrases that indicate a purchasing mindset raise the likelihood your key term will convert. The keyword buy vegan protein may be more effective than organic vegan protein when it comes to finding searchers who are ready to spend. Google ranking. The final factor you should use to assess your keyword is competition. You can use a tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush to look up keyword difficulty, which shows you how hard it will be to get on the front page of Google. The higher the number, the more difficult it will be to rank well with Google. If it's too high, you consider swapping out your term with one that offers a better chance of ranking. Keyword targeting and page optimization. You should also check your keywords to see if other top-performing sites are ranking for that term. If they're not, you stand a good chance of scoring higher than your rivals if you can create a page focused around that term. If you searched for a keyword, custom organic cotton t-shirts, you might find that some of the sites in the top 10 don't have pages that specifically relate to this term. In other words, they might be including the phrase, but when you click through, their page's content doesn't relate to this phrase, or only partially relates. Get the edge on your rivals by using keywords that they are already ranking for but aren't matching closely. By precisely matching your page's content, and you should have a superb chance of breaking into Google's coveted top 10 spot.